Good morning, everybody. I'm gonna meet the rest of the staff canteen and we're gonna take a flight and film at Glenturret Distillery.
This is the staff canteen, but behind the scenes. We're going to show you what happens when we go on one of our shoots.
Too many.
What is this?
My protection.
Protection from what?
From the rain. No, from the sun. Have a map and a plane. After the flight, we still have to drive some more to reach the restaurant.
Pretty sure they're called the kelpies.
Kelpies.
Yeah. All right, we'll see you in half an hour, literally. Car park kitchen delivery, so we won't go. Yeah, we will, because we'll go in there.
We are staff.
We're
We are the staff canteen.
I am Mark Donald. I am the head chef de partie at Glenturret Lalique Restaurant.
Now do it properly.
That is properly.
You're not the chef de partie.
We're all chef de parties. Marco said it best.
Can you take one step to your right for me, please? Thank you.
Crisscross. You guys are just gonna mug me off in this, huh? I am Johnny Knoxville and welcome to Jackass.
Hang on, I thought you were locked in.
No, I was just taking the flap off because I didn't want it sticking to my
I
face.
honestly thought you were locked in. Come out when you're ready.
Yeah.
1 second.
Maybe I shouldn't put like shit in.
No.
Swearing's not a good thing
No,
these
it's
days.
not.
Is it? Sorry.
I was going to advise you not to do that.
Okay, no swearing. Fuck's sake.
Mark, say something for the vlog.
No, something for the vlog.
Quiet.
Let's just do it again.
Quiet, please, in production.
Let's just do it again. We got.
Oh, it's so sweet. Do you drink whiskey as well?
Only the best stuff.
Feels like a little teapot.
Happy?
Nice and.
Should I undo a button? Should I undo 2 buttons?
No.
Ice is spicy.
Right, no laughing. Be serious, guys.
And we're back on the road again, but this time with Chef.
Are these strawberries?
Blackberries.
So competitive.
It's like 2.
Got some in there. Tough one now. Scotland, isn't it?
There's no chef because he's locked.
Break it.
Oh.
No. Did he just get in the shot?
Trying to get behind you.
A very red.
It takes longer than you think to pour, doesn't it?
In here you've got milk chocolate and cardamom, and then also your dark chocolate aerated as well. These ones are just like, they melt in your mouth.
Serious question. Is there an order to eat them in or just whatever?
So I'm going to recommend you one, but you don't have to listen to it.
No. We'll 100% listen.
What about you, Mark? I want you
I'm not-
to open them up
Absolutely no way. I'm not making a fool of myself getting it wrong. Right. Well done, Slatty.
Did you know you can contribute to the Staff Canteen? Click the link below.